EMF of the battery. The EMF, known as the electromotive force, is the maximum energy provided by a battery or the maximum work done by a battery per coulomb, or you can say per unit charge. So the EMF formula, we know the EMF is equal to the external voltage or external potential difference plus the internal voltage or the internal potential difference. Okay, so the EMF is always constant. This is what the arrow says. The EMF is always constant. So when the external voltage is increasing, the internal voltage is decreasing. Okay, so as the external voltage increases, the internal voltage decreases. Or when the external voltage is decreasing, the internal voltage will be increasing. So you understand, you cannot have the external voltage and internal voltage both increasing or both decreasing. Okay, it will always be one is increasing and another one is decreasing. Okay, so as the external voltage decreases, the internal voltage increases. Okay, so if you buy, let's say, a cell as this one, you are going to see that it is indicated that you have 1.5 volts. This is the EMF of this cell. If you buy a battery as this one, you are going to see that it is indicated on the battery that you have 12 volts. So this is the EMF of this battery is 12 volts. Let's see this question about EMF. Okay, so you are given this question. A battery with an internal resistance of 0.5 ohms and an unknown EMF is connected to 3 resistors, a high resistance voltmeter and an ammeter of negligible resistance as shown in the circuit diagram below. Okay, the resistance of the connecting wires must be ignored. Now the question is, if the 4 ohms, if the 4 ohms resistor is removed from the circuit, how will this affect the EMF of the battery? Choose from increases, decreases, or remains the same. You should know that the EMF of a battery is essentially constant because it only depends on the chemical reaction going on inside the battery. Okay, so the EMF does not depend on what is connected to the battery. So we are going to say remains the same. Okay,